Question number 6. Using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. And you have to observe this pattern here, given pattern, and find the missing numbers here. So look at this pattern. First 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. Then second one 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 7 square. Observe this pattern, how it is coming. 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Now 4 square plus 5 square, yet it is empty. Dash square is equal to 21 square. So this is missing means look at this. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 4 5s are 20. So I can write 20 square. You can verify if it is required now. So then come to this one. So here it is 30 square. What should be multiplied to get 30 to 5? What should be multiplied to 5 to get 6? 6 square. So 5 square plus 6 square plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. Now here look at this, both the places are missing here. 6 square plus 7 square plus dash square is equal to dash square. 6 sevens are 42 square. And what should be the answer here?
43 square.
One more than this one. Here 2 means 3, 6 means 7, 12 means 13, 20 means 21, 30, 31, 42 means here it should be 43. So this is how you can fill the pattern now. So this is 20 square, 6 square, 42 square and 43 square. This is just by looking the pattern, arrangement of numbers here. Some rule is there. You have to observe that, identify the rule and find out the missing numbers here. And let's go to the question number 7. Without adding, find the sum. The question is, you need not to add 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9 like that. You should not add. Just to find out the sum. And observe this one. It is the sum of first 5 odd numbers. Sum of first 5 odd numbers. You know that sum of odd numbers, first odd numbers gives you square numbers only. Always gives a square number. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means it should be
5 square.
5 square. So you check it now. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 9, 25. So it is nothing but 5 square. Or you can write 25. Okay. Now look at this second one. How many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it should be 10 square. So this is 25 and this is 100. Okay. Similarly, add these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So therefore it should be 12 square. That means it should be 144. 12 square means 144. So this is the property we have used here. Sum of first n odd numbers is always equal to n square. Sum of first n odd numbers is n square. So here 5 odd numbers 5 square. 10 odd numbers 10 square. 12 odd numbers 12 square. This property you remember this one as we discussed in the beginning itself. So you remember that property. Again we use somewhere else. Now express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Now you have to express this 49 as sum of 7 odd numbers. 49 I'll write like this. 49 is a square number. So it can be written as 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. How many now? 3 plus 3, 6, 10 plus 13. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 odd numbers. It should be 7 square. Therefore it is 49. 49 can be written as sum of first 7 odd numbers. Here 121 is a square number. It can be expressed as sum of first 11 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more plus 21. So you got plus 21. So look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is nothing but 11 square. 11 square is nothing but 121. So we express this 121 as the sum of first 11 odd numbers. So this is also based on the property of square numbers. Now come to this ninth main. How many numbers lie between the squares of the following numbers? How many numbers lie between the squares of the following numbers? Squares of the following numbers. Between 12 square and, so this means between 12 square and 13 square. How many numbers? So between 12 square and 13 square means it is 144 and 169. There is a formula to find out the 2n non-perfect square numbers. So non-perfect square numbers, number of non-perfect square numbers is equal to 2n. So 2 into n here 12. How many numbers you will get? 12 2s are 24.
24.
There is one more rule to find out. So find the difference between these two numbers. 169 minus 144. You will get 25.
25.
Then how to find 1 less than 25 minus 1. Difference between the square numbers and 1 should be subtracted from that one. 1 less than the difference between the square numbers. That gives you the number of perfect square, non-perfect square numbers between the given square numbers. Now similarly 25 square and 26 square. So between 25 square and 26 square. So we have 2n, 2 into 25, so 50. So we get 50 numbers are there. We will get 50 numbers between 25 square and 26 square. You will find 50 numbers. Now between 99 and 100 square. So 99 square and 100 square. So between 99 square and 100 square. So here 2n, 2 into 99. So what you will get? 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19, 198. So you will find 198 numbers between 99 square and 100 square. So this is the formula to find out the number of non-perfect square numbers between the consecutive square numbers. Okay, is it clear?
Sir, board is not clear, sir.
Finding the square of a number. Finding the square of a number. See, find the square of the following numbers without actual multiplication. For example, I want 39 square. So there is no need to multiply 39 and 39. You can use the distributive property by splitting this 39 as 30 plus 9 whole square. You can write this as 30 plus 9 whole square. 30 plus 9 whole square means you can write it as 30 plus 9 into 30 plus 9. So now you can use the distributive property. 30 into 30 plus 9. Then first number into both the numbers. Then 9 into 30 plus 9. So we are multiplying 30 to both and 9 to both now. 30 into 30, 900. 30 into 9, 270. Again 30 into 9, 270. Plus 9 9s are 81. So you are getting 900 plus 2 times 270 plus 81. Now you have to simplify this just by adding. So you will get 1521. When you add this one, you will get this 1521 is the sum. This is another way of finding the square. Multiplication also easier. So just you, okay, we are using the different property, that's all. Property of distribution property are using. For example, second one, we'll see that 42 square. 42 square can be written as 40 plus 2 whole square. So this we will write 40 plus 2 into 40 plus 2. Okay. So once you multiply this one, see distributive property 40 into both the numbers. 40 into 40 plus 2. Then second number 2 into 40 plus 2. This is the distribution property. 40 into 40, 1600. 40 into 2, 80. Again 40 into 2, 80. 2 2s are 4. So this is the sum of these four numbers is 1764. So this is how you can find without multiplication. Direct multiplication we are not using, but we are multiplying here, but the direct method, usual method we are not following. We are using some property and multiplying this one. So this is how you can find the square of a number. Look at this. Other patterns are in squares. Here we have square numbers again. Some pattern related to this square. Look at this. 25 square. It is nothing but 625. 25 into 25, it gives you 625. This same number we can write it as 2 into 3, 100. 2 into 3, 600. 600 plus 25, 600. How you will get this 600? Just multiplying 2 and 3. What is this 2? Look at this first digit. First digit 2, 1 more than that one. First digit here 2, add 1 to that one, you will get 3. Multiply this 2 and the next number, 2 and its next consecutive number, 2 3s are 6, 625. Look at the second number. What is the tens place digit here? 3. So now 3 into next number 4. 3 into 4, 5 square is 25. Last digit is 5. 5 square is 25. 3 into 4 plus 25. 3 4s are 12. 12. Then 5 square 25. So 12. 12. 1 2 2 5. Okay. Now 75 square. 7 is the tens place digit. One more than that is 8. 7 8s are 56. So this is the 56. Then 5 square 25. So 75 square is nothing but 5625. So just you multiply 7 into 8 and 5 square you do that. You will get that answer. 125 square. Here 2 digits you take. 12 is the number. Next number is 13. 12 into 13. 12 into 13 gives you 156. Then 5 square 25. So this is 15,625 is the square of 125 square. Very easy to multiply if the numbers are ending with the digit 5. Look at this now. You tell me how to find the square of 95 now using the same pattern.